Hey everyone, so I have seen this flower pot everywhere, which is very trending. While scrolling my Insta and Pinterest, I have seen this flower pot, so I decided to make this with my own. For this, I'm taking a cardboard box. So I don't have a plain cardboard, so I have to take this cardboard box and I'm tearing this cardboard like this, which give me a long sheet of plain cardboard, which can help me more for making this flower pot. Firstly, you have to cut this and again peel off the first part of the cardboard like this. You can use your own pencil or sharp tool like this, and whatever you have you can use it and roll it like this, and you have to paste it from the corners using hard glue. I'm using this B6 glue which helps to stick it very perfectly. I love this glue. This is very fantastic. And then draw a circle and cut it from the cardboard and again paste on the lower part of the flower pot. And now I'm going to paint this. So I'm decided to paint this with a white paint which gave the perfect look to the flower pot which I wanted. So you have to paint twice because from the one coat it doesn't look like that shiny, so you have to do the double coat. And then I'm using a molded clay for making a bow. For this I'm taking the 2 compounds of molded clay. You have to mix it properly and you can use any powder for greasing it, and then roll it and then make a bow with the help of any stick or a paintbrush, and you can use pencil also. For this I'm using paintbrush. And firstly you have to check it out from which side the bow will look prettier. So I'm checking like this, and this is the place where I have to put it, and this is looking prettier. And you can give some finishing touches with the help of a needle or your stall pin. I'm using a hijab pin here. And then you have to paint this also. Firstly I'm painting a base coat with white, and then you have to give a shiny texture look with the help of different colors. So I'm using here pink, very light cute look to my flower pot. Like this you have to paint all the edges properly. You can also decorate this on your studio and on your bedroom also, next to your bed, which looks very pretty and gives aesthetic look also. After completing this I'm thinking that I have to add some other flower. So in the next video I'll make some different flowers for this, and thanks for watching.